Yo, first off, this looks fucking crazy. Well, I look crazy. First of all, look at this shit, yo. Hold up. Wait till you see what's going on outside. Come on, go outside. Let's go, dude. Come on. Here he comes. And there he goes. Oh, shit. Nigga, you can't even fucking stand in this shit. Oh, shit. Ha. Look at this shit. Are you doing this for real? Oh shit! Look at this girl. So this is what happens when yo, this is crazy. You are fucking out of your fucking mind.
Get out of here.
Out of your fucking mind. Yo, check out my outfit though. Oh shit. Look, where's the slopes at? Look, head to toe. Right there. Have fun with getting in the trunk. Let's look at this adventure now. Okay, there's an update on the situation, guys. Well, first of all, my glasses are crooked. But look, Mrs. Claus is taking back her stuff home. She figured out it wasn't a good idea to go do laundry in this fucking blizzard. Look at this shit. You gotta be kidding me.